So as in the still photographs that I'll post on the Facebook group, you see that nice little gap right there? It's not straight, it's not machined properly, it's not holding down. Right there, see that little beauty right there? This is aftermarket. And the same goes for this one up here. See that nice big old gap, hunkin' gap out there, and in between and down below? The lovely things of aftermarket installation. And did you see how the line is kinked and how it's stretching over here? See, that's like a rubber band being stretched right there? Because these brackets, the way the brackets have it in place for these brackets and everything.
That's all original. This bracket is original.
No, this right here. The condenser bracket, the fitting, this right here. It's in a different place than the original. So instead of being this way more, it has this pointing up this way, and it's this way a little bit more. And so that's like stretched, like if you stretched it like that. And that's why it has a little kink right here. And nothing you can do about it. It's just the beauty of having aftermarket stuff.
That's all.